all y'all who are still sleeping on OMG her hair, wake up!
Let's get it crunk up on that fun up in this dancery.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMG Her Hair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her red cup and her wine today. Listen, I have been on my health kick, so I can only drink a little bit. Baby, I deserve. Wash my trays off. But anyway, do y'all see this hairline? I mean, you can see it's a wig right there because, you know, it's lace. But do you see the hairline? I didn't pluck nor pull one piece of hair off this wig. OMG her hair. But before you grab that change purse, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes from OMG Her Hair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. Let's go ahead and get this wig prepped and installed because it is a football day, so you know your girl gotta be cute in the stands. As always, I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate to tint my lace because it is a little ashy, but this is an HD lace, so it should take my product really well. This is also a 360 unit, meaning there's lace all the way around the unit. It also comes with the Invisi-Bands in the back to tighten your wig down. And with the make of these new caps, OMG Her Hair Wigs gives a more conformed comfort fit around your head. And this wig does come in small, medium, and large. I'm pretty sure they sent me a medium cap size. However, y'all know my head is big every day, okay? 23 gang. But we're gonna make this wig fit as you know that I'm gonna do because, you know, I got things to do. People need to see me. Wait, let me move this elastic band back because right now it's sitting in slot holder number 1 and I want it to be in slot 4. Now I did put some cornrows in my hair. Look at that. I'm able to do that, y'all. Who am I? But I'm not gonna leave these in that long. I just did it for the weekend. Everything is already cut off, so you don't have to cut anything. I feel like my lace is a little crooked. Who cut this? There's no comb in the back, but like I said, you have those Invisi-Bands back there, and you have the, oh, is this a left side part? I thought it was a middle part. That's why, that's why it's a little iffy, because it's a left side part. Y'all know better. I'm a right side girl. Yeah, this is a medium. This is a medium. It's pulling back short on my sides, but with that 360, I can do a up style if I want to. I've been here before. Oof. I'll probably bring it back a little bit off my forehead. Give me a little bit more space in the back. Ooh, I feel lopsided with this part in space. But that curl, I'm excited about because this is a Burmese curly. I'm gonna wet the hair where I need to, but I'm gonna leave the curl pretty much as is and just fluff her out. You're doing a side part today? Okay. I did not wash my wig, and this wig is a little, you know, it's not bad, but you know, it got a smell to her, so I'm gonna use my wig perfume, put that all around. Can't be having that funkified wig smell around my face. Does that look bald to you? Am I seeing things? Because the wig is short, it's pulling back, so it's making my hairline look real thin. There we go. Pull it up. Let me spray this down. All right, this is going real fast. I'm gonna take my melt spray. Oh, I got a pimple right there. Goodness. I don't need my ear tab down. I just need the front to make sure that's gonna stay. Blow dry that cool. Is this where I want her to be? Yeah, that'll work. That'll do, wig. That'll do. And a little more on top. Swirl that around like that. I take back what I said about whoever cut this. They did a good job. They sent me a fancy band. Do y'all see that hairline? For all y'all who are still sleeping on OMG Her Hair, wake up! Bring this on down. Oop. And 𝐂𝐿𝐿. For the curl, I'm gonna add a little mousse. So I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse to clump the curls. I'm running out of this one. Hold up, let me get my ring off. Ooh, this hair smells good now. Only the ones in the front really need clumping because I shifted the part. Get my finger coils. Bring it all the way up. Hold it. There we go. Clump this side. It down and clump that together. Finger coil the ends. Good, good, good. Let's go ahead and clip this back. Go ahead and blow dry the hair. Then we'll come back, fluff her out, and be on our way. Peel it down from the top so I don't lift it. Ooh, I think it looks good. I can work with that. Let me get my brush. Bring down some little sideburns right there. It fits perfectly around my ear, but because I pulled mine forward like this, it's real short in the back. So make sure you get the size that you need for your head. I could bobby pin it down, which I probably will do in a second. Let me just get the rest of this hairline brushed out. So I don't want them to be crunchy looking. When I say they be working in that warehouse, look, the proof is in the hairline. Use my foundation brush and just pat around that hairline. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of my contour. I don't need a lot for this wig. Tap that off, bring it around my hairline. Like so. Put my glasses back on. Fits very comfortably around my ear. Take my bobby pin. Now what I could do if my hair was out, I could bring out my hair and then gel it up over top that lace to give me a more natural look back there. But because I braided my hair down, I can't do that today. I know what I do. Bring it down like this. I'm gonna bobby pin it to the back of the wig. There we go. Just hide that. I can't see over here, so hopefully it looks okay. Bring it up. There we go. All right, so that's how we're looking with that. I don't think I need to put any powder in the parting space because it looks pretty good. Still a little damp in some areas, but when it dries down, it'll be a little bit fuller. It's a little ashy, y'all see that? Let me get a little contour. Make sure you look up and blend that line in. So when you look down, it's not as noticeable. All right, and I think I'm done. See how easy this was out the pack? Listen, if you want a curly wig that gives off a kinky curly vibe but is looser and not as stiff, Burmese curly is your girl. Y'all know I love me a texture wig. Kinky curly is my girl, but after a while that kinky curly wig will move as one. I mean, when you move this way, so does the wig. Sometimes you still want a little movement after a while. The Burmese curly for the high quality girls is where you need to be. The hairline, the edges, I have no complaints. It's a 360 wig like I showed y'all, so if I want to do an upstyle, I can do that. Just bring some of that hair down, hide that like that. There you go. Look at that. That's me. I'm going to wear this wig out. Don't ask me if I'm selling it. Probably not. Is this my new favorite curl? Y'all tell me. What you think? Now OMGHERHAIR, are you gonna offer this curl on different cap constructions? 13x6, 9x6 drawstring? Let me know. I'll try it. Again, if you wash your wig, your curls will clump a lot better, especially using your detangler brush and your products. I'll wash it later. People gotta see me now. And this wig, I'm pretty sure for the sale is like $279. An HD 360 wig with a pre-plucked and bleached hairline, Burmese curly in 20 inches, 180% density for $279. Now some of y'all may say that's too much money, but think about what you're getting when you get this wig. The quality matches the price point. I'm just, listen. Tony, listen. Mr. Clark, go ahead and have that debit card, sir, because she about to burn it up. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to OMGHERHAIR for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.